There's not sufficient evidence to base criminal charges.
Tonight, we are hearing directly from Lewis County officials about why manslaughter and animal cruelty charges will not be filed in the August 2022 deaths of a Portland hiker and his puppy. Thanks so much for joining us for Queen 6 News at 10 tonight. I'm Elizabeth Dinh. Jeff has the night off. And for months now, our Jamie Seymour has been asking tough questions about this very investigation. Last night, she had a very big update and a follow-up this evening as she went one-on-one with the prosecuting attorney. Jamie?
Liz, for 8 months, this investigation has gone back and forth, starting with no detectives immediately going out to the scene and ending with no charges. We're asking what led up to this.
It's hard to say what additional materials would have been found had this been investigated as a potential homicide from the get-go.
Portland hiker Aron Christensen and his 4-month-old puppy Buzzo were shot and killed while on an overnight hike during a camping trip in central Washington last August. But despite the bullet recovered matching the gun reportedly used in the deaths and police saying someone confessed to the shooting, according to the investigation report, the Lewis County Prosecuting Attorney's Office says there's still not enough to charge those involved with manslaughter and animal cruelty.
So what went wrong with this case?
Well, I don't know. I mean, obviously there were issues with the investigation. I mean, that's well documented.
Hundreds of pages related to the deaths of Christensen and his dog detail where the investigation may have went wrong, including where a responding deputy suggested Christensen's wound may have been caused by a tree limb or stick, before telling dispatch detectives did not need to come. Those same first minutes were documented in radio traffic released at Coin 6 by the Lewis County Sheriff's Office.
Not a gunshot wound.
And less than half an hour later,
222 said there was puncture wounds, but said it was not no gun was found. They told the detectives to cancel.
It just doesn't make sense.
This week, Christensen's loved ones told Coin 6 they were frustrated and believed more than one agency dropped the ball. Prosecuting attorney Jonathan Meyer says much of it comes down to a lack of enough investigation and evidence up front by the sheriff's office.
There are some things that, and I indicated to the family that I was frustrated about regarding some of the things that we were provided and the way that we were provided them.
We also wanted to know how easy or difficult it is to prove enough for manslaughter charges. Susan Mandyberg at Lewis and Clark Law School says manslaughter 1 cases can still be hard to prove even when not proving intent to cause death, like you see with higher level charges like first-degree murder.
You still have to prove subjectively that the person was aware that there was a risk of causing death.
We asked Meyer if any new charges could come in this case.
There are additional things that we're looking at this time.
As for those potential charges those involved could face, Meyer would not go into further detail, but at this time, those likely would not be felonies, but instead misdemeanors. Now, after this announcement that no charges would be filed, we reached out to the Lewis County Sheriff's Office. They told us any explanation would have to come from the prosecutor's office, and they would not be giving a comment or a statement. Reporting live in Portland, Jamie Seymour, Coin 6 News.